Welcome to Apartamento amplio Canary Style, 1 Playa Canteras. Ready to book your stay? Scan the QR code on screen or check the description below for direct booking links and special offers. Experience the spacious and stylish Apartamento amplio Canary Style. This luxurious 4.5-star hotel is nestled in the heart of Gran Canaria, Spain, offering an unforgettable stay for both leisure and business travelers. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably. The friendly staff will welcome you and ensure a smooth experience. Checkout is at 11 a.m., giving you ample time to enjoy your final moments. This hotel has a child policy, and while children are welcome, extra charges may apply. Contact the hotel directly for more details. The hotel boasts an insert number of rooms, each designed for your comfort. Rooms feature a desk or workspace, ideal for business or getting some work done, a fully equipped kitchen to prepare your meals, and the convenience of an elevator for easy access to all floors. Get ready to discover the perfect blend of style, comfort, and convenience. Ready to book your stay? Scan the QR code now.